हाय नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ तेजल और मैं आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे शो में जिसका नाम है शॉप गुड टीवी। दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी हेल्प यू बाय गुड। Shop Good TV is all about great brands, innovative products and expert advice. और ये एक ऐसा मंच है जहां हम बायर्स और सेलर्स दोनों को खुशी बांटते हैं। सेलर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि वो उनका प्रोडक्ट लोगों तक पहुंचा पाते हैं और बायर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि वो यही सब प्रोडक्ट्स कम और अपने जेब के मुद्दे को नजर रखते हुए खरीद सकते हैं। अब ये हुई ना दोस्तों विन विन सिचुएशन। हम सभी को पता है कोरोना ने न जाने कितने घर उजाड़ दिए हैं और इसी वजह से ये हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश है ताकि हम उन सेलर्स के घर बचा पाए। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम एसेंशियल से लेकर लग्जरी तक सभी आइटम्स आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं। दोस्तों आज का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो सभी को पसंद है। ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसके बिना सभी की जिंदगी अधूरी है। अगर किसी कपल में झगड़ा हो जाए तो मनाने के लिए इसे पेश किया जाता है। पेट भर खाने के बाद इसके लिए खास जगह बचाई जाती है। दोस्तों अब तक तो आपको पता ही चल चुका होगा कि मैं किस मीठे की बात कर रही हूँ। रसगुल्ला, गुलाब जामुन, बासुंदी, रसमलाई, ये हम रोज तो नहीं खा सकते, लेकिन एक ऐसी चीज सभी के फ्रिज में होती है जिसे जब मन किया हम खा सकते हैं। बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक ये सभी को अच्छी लगती है। दोस्तों मैं बात कर रही हूँ सभी के फेवरेट्स चॉकलेट्स के बारे में। आज हम शॉप गुड टीवी पर आपकी कड़वी जिंदगी को मीठा करने के लिए लेकर आए हैं चॉकलेट्स की ये अमेजिंग रेंज। Introducing the lip-smacking range of Tasty chocolates. We have 3 amazing flavors in this. First is Tasty Dark Chocolate Hazelnut. Second is Tasty Dark Chocolate Raisins. And third is Tasty Dark Chocolate Rock Salt. And they also have 100% pure, 100% natural cocoa powder. These products are already launched on our website www.prakol.com. Well, chocolates are proven to improve brain functions, improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. It is a powerful source of antioxidants and it is a stress buster, you guys. So what else do you want? As I told you before, in Shop Good TV, we believe in expert advice and for that, we have a very special guest with us today. Let's see what she has to say. Now that we have had a fantastic view of the products of Tasty, I know it's hard to hold the temptation of chocolates after all. But let's take out some time to appreciate the person who blessed us with these amazing products. So please welcome Elsa Baby Ma'am, the vendor of Tasty products. And she's also one of the partners of Tasty Foods. Ma'am, I welcome you on behalf of Shop Good TV. So my first question to you is obviously, being the vendor of this product, how do you control the temptation of this lip-smacking chocolates?
So we are used to this chocolate smell, chocolate aroma, and it is just like when we are all around with chocolate, na. Every day we'll be tasting this chocolate, and every day it has been like a daily food for us. So it is not like controlling the temptation. We have to do it anyway. So that is it.
Ma'am, we cannot control the temptation looking at all those chocolates. I mean, those are really amazing. So, ma'am, my second question to you is, please tell us what clicked you to be the vendor of this product. Any special reasons for it?
We are basically from Kerala, and this Kerala is well known for its various types of crops. We are exporting so much different types of crops to European countries and other American countries and South Asian, other Middle East countries. So cocoa is a major crop of Kerala. So we are from a technical background, and when we planned to start a business, we thought why don't we do some value addition to this cocoa? actually this cocoa is being exported to European countries and chocolate is made there, and that is again imported in India, and we are tasting the original chocolate from foreign countries. So it is possible for us to make the real chocolate here, and just we were exploring the chances, and finally we decided, as our family ancestral farms are there. We have lots of persons we personally know. Means they have farms, so we were just taking a chance for this.
Amazing, amazing. Great initiative, ma'am. Great initiative. So my second question to you is, how is your chocolate different from any other chocolate in the industry? I mean, chocolate industry is huge, right? They have a huge competition. So what's your specialty?
So for that question, we need to know about the quality and Sejal, can I ask you one question? Whenever we say a word chocolate, what brand comes to your mind first? Please tell me.
According to me, it's Kit Kat or Dairy Milk. I mean, I love those chocolates. So.
Yes, Dairy Milk. Obviously, it is Dairy Milk for every Indian children. It is a fact. So actually, what is happening is our cocoa farmers are giving this cocoa in bulk to this like international brands, and they are deciding the market, and they are deciding the price for the chocolate. And after all, there are two types of chocolate we can say. One is like this real chocolate, and the other one is like we will be adding something to the chocolate to make the correct blending, correct taste of the. Means even if you buy chocolate, buy Dairy Milk from any part of India, the taste will be the same, you know. But they are not taking the cocoa from a single farm. But our speciality is like we are taking the cocoa from a single belt in Kerala. And the taste of our chocolate, the taste-free chocolate, will be the taste of that particular. Not only the taste, the aroma, the other like nutritional facts, everything is related to that particular belt of Kerala. So one more thing I want to add along with this is that when we talk about other chocolates, do you know that cocoa is a seed which contains some oil, and this oil is known as cocoa butter, and this oil is much far costlier than the cocoa powder. So when we make the chocolate, no, you can extract the cocoa butter from that, and we can add some other oil to it, so that we'll get a particular type of chocolate. Otherwise, we can retain this cocoa butter and we can make the chocolate as it is. So Taste-Free's dark chocolate contains only this cocoa mass and cane sugar. We are not adding any additives or preservatives or anything, because cocoa as it is a preservative. It has a lot of antioxidants and flavonoids in it, and it can preserve itself. So there is no need to add extra additives. So it is healthy. One thing I can assure is that Taste-Free chocolate is healthier than any other chocolate available in the market, and the aroma and taste are from the real chocolate, real cocoa. That is it. Means everybody can try the Taste-Free chocolate, and you can realize that it can compete with any other international brand of chocolate.
Amazing, man. That's amazing. So this is as natural as it can be, without any harm to our health or something like that. So without worrying much about our health, we can just go and eat chocolates.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a very good news for everyone out there. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so ma'am, with that, we just end this amazing session. Thank you so much for coming.
Hey,
It was
thank you,
so great to have
Sejal,
you.
for
And
giving this
now-
opportunity to explain this speciality of our Taste-Free chocolates. Thank you, Sejal.
Our pleasure. Our pleasure. Thanks a lot. Now after that bang on chit chat session, as I told you before, the products here are tried and tested. And for that, we have some amazing feedbacks of the customers who have given a thumbs up to this product. So let's take a look at all the amazing feedbacks. Okay, so now that you know the product, we have taken the expert advice too, and we have also taken the validation of the customers who have used this product before. So what are you guys waiting for? Hurry up and place your order on 9072777791, or you can also place your order on our website www.prakol.com. And just for our special customers, we have flat 10% discount on this product for the entire week. Now that's something to celebrate, you guys. Since I have mentioned Prakol for a couple of times now, let's take a look at what Prakol is. Okay, so let me tell you, in these tough times, we all are having a tough job to do, right? But anyhow, shopping is mandatory. It can be of essential items or non-essentials, but we do shop, right? What if I tell you, by shopping from our website, which is www.prakol.com, whenever you purchase a product, you are actually helping a woman and her family to survive. Yes, you heard it right. www.prakol.com is the site which is run by 99% of women entrepreneurs. The main motto of this site is to empower women and make them financially independent. Now this is something special, isn't it? While fulfilling our needs, we are helping some women fulfill their needs too. So that's what makes Prakol and ShopGood TV unique of all. We also have a Samyojika scheme under Prakol. If you wish to earn profits by sitting at your house, then we have this Samyojika scheme especially for you all. We will be placing the link in the description box below, so check that out. And also, just like Elsa ma'am, if you are willing to promote your product, then mail us at shopgoodtv@gmail.com. And with this, we conclude the Bang On episode. I thank you all for being present here, and I can't thank enough to my technical team. Thank you so much Ashla for everything. Also, जाते जाते ऐसे ही कमाल के और मजेदार प्रोडक्ट्स आपको चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। तो इसी के साथ दिस इज तेजल साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं अगले संडे इवनिंग इसी टाइम पे, तब तक स्वस्थ रहना, मस्त रहना।